Hey fam, Merry Christmas! Oh, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video where I will be doing like one of the first DIYs on my channel. I will be showing you guys how to make this very cool DIY money tree, okay? I know it's like Christmas and it's like, oh my gosh, Aaliyah, why did you wait till Christmas to upload this? It's because I didn't want to spoil the gift for the person that I'm giving this to, but I thought this was super cool and super cute. I love giving money. I think it's such a cool way to give money to a person in, you know, like a fun, festive way. Because yeah, you could just throw money in a card and give it to somebody, but when you present it in this way, it's just such a fun way to give it to a person so they can just receive, you know, a very fun and festive money gift. So I'm going to show you guys how I created this DIY money tree. This is my first time making this, but I think it came out pretty cool. You know, baby, she's giving me the Grinch, okay? She's kind of leaning a little bit. She's leaning a little bit. Okay, we got some ornaments in there. We got a bow up top, but I think she looks really cute. So I hope, you know, girl, I'm giving it to my man, okay? So I hope he likes it. This took quite some time. I would say about 3 hours or so, but it's only because this is my first time doing this. So if you're seeing this after Christmas, you can totally do this as a birthday gift, you know, as a graduation present. Just don't add the ornaments so it's not very Christmassy. You know, you can add some other elements into this to, you know, make it fitting for the season or for the occasion, for a graduation, for a gift, for a birthday, for an anniversary. I think this is such a fun way to give money to somebody. So use whatever denomination you want. I just use all dollar bills. This is $300 worth of dollar bills. But if you want to use $5 bills, $10 bills, $20 bills, $50 bills, $100 bills, girl, if you got it like that, go ahead and switch out the denomination to what you would like to give to somebody. Make it smaller if you want to. This is pretty big. Okay, that's why, you know, I use $300. It almost didn't fit. Y'all can see, like, when you see me do it, like, I ran out of money. So I had to space it out a little bit up top. So it looks a little janky up top. But, you know, all together, it came together pretty well. Girl, and isn't this Santa basket so cute? It's so cute. I think I'm going to put it in there. I think it'll fit. So without further congé, if you are interested in tuning into today's video where I will be showing you guys a DIY money tree gift that's perfect for a Christmas gift, a birthday present, an anniversary, girl, whatever, a graduation, a promotion. If you want to gift someone money in a very creative way so it's like fun for them to open and see, okay, visually, then subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. Tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads. I'm uploading one more video tomorrow to complete my 12 days of Christmas upload, so I would love for you to join me for it. And if you enjoy this video, by the time you reach the end of this video, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned. Keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, y'all, so you're gonna need like a triangular prism cylinder shape, okay? The shape of a tree, some pins to pin the money in, some sticks to hold the tree up on its foundation, of course some decor. I chose some ornaments and this ribbon bow to go on top, this circular foam to be the foundation for the tree, and of course some dollar bills, y'all, okay? I'm using the denomination of $1 bills, $300 worth, so let's get into it. We're gonna take those sticks. These sticks are meant for sewing, but I thought they would be perfect just to stick in so the tree would have a foundation. I got all of this from Michael's, so just go to your local craft store, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, whatever is near you to get these supplies. And all I'm doing is taking those pins and pinning the dollar bills all around the tree. It's super easy. I'm using pins because it's way easier to take this down than tape, and I don't want to rip the money. I don't want to just damage the money at all. I want the money to be easy to take on, take off, girl. No one wants to spend hours taking this off, so just use pins and they just go straight into the foam, girl. It's so easy. So I'm just folding them in half, and you want to keep the money in the same direction just so it looks aesthetically pleasing to the eye. And after each row, I am just going to flip the money over, so we're going to alternate sides of the dollar bill. So we're going to have the front facing side for one row and then the back facing side for the other row, and we're just going to sort of overlap the money just a little bit, like halfway, just overlap it. And as it starts to come together, it's going to look more and more like leaves on a tree. It's going to look so cool. Like, I would love to have been gifted this present. And by the way, my boyfriend, honey, my man's, he loved this present. He was like, wow, he was in awe of my effort. So I'm very happy that he liked this. So So if you make this for somebody, let me know. If you make it like out of season, like not Christmas, but you know, like a birthday, anniversary, girl promotion, graduation, whatever the case may be, and you switch up the decor, I would love to see it, girl. Tag me. I would love to know what it looks like and how you presented it. Let me know, honey. So just watch me pin these dollar bills to this foam tree. It's pretty redundant, but I figured some people may want to see the process, and I will check back in when it is time to decorate. All right, we ran out of money, so I had to like space it apart at the top, so it looks a little janky, but you know, it kind of looks like it's coming to a point like a tree would, so it looks cute regardless. So we're gonna go ahead and put that bow up top. I just take off the backing and I just take another pin and pin it right up top, and I just fix a little frill so it like covers the whole entire tree, and it ended up looking really cute. So now we're gonna take these ornaments. They're so cheap, girl, but they were so overpriced. Like Michael's was taxing on these ornaments, but I'm just gonna go ahead and pin them in. So I'm taking the needle and I'm bending the needle at the top, since these ornaments didn't have any hooks. So I'm bending it at the top so it stays put, and I'm just sparsely putting them just at the front of the tree because I didn't have enough ornaments. So this is just going to be for the front. So if you want it to go throughout the whole entire tree, just buy some more ornaments. But girl, these was $5 per pack. It was too expensive, but it came together in the end. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know, rate my DIY down below, and let me know how this looks. I think it looks so good, and it came together in the end despite my little janky topper, okay? And until next time, always remember to serve, honey, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.